Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing 18 Ultimate Leaf Draft Baseball box for Ryan. I have tried and tried to get more of this and can't seem to find it. That they didn't make hardly any of it, so. Good luck, man. All right, first up, Marco Luciano. Lucan Baker. Mason Denneberg. Adam Klopfenstein. 3 of 15, Estevan Florial. Should I just ship this other one to Ryan? 6 of 25 for the Los Angeles Angels, Mr. Ohtani.
Nice.
Congrats, man.
Yeah.
Well, these are all autoed, so it's even. Ryan, congrats, man. I'll shoot you a picture. Nice choice on that box, at least. Is that the second Ohtani? Man.